How to zip files on Windows 10. Today I'm going to show you a very easy way of zipping or compressing files in Windows 10. We will not need any additional programs, so let's start. I have prepared two files over here and I'm going to show you how to compress them. So first of all, we need to select the files that we need to compress. So if we want to compress, let's say, these two files, we will have to select them. To select them, we can simply click and drag to select those two files, or we can hold Ctrl and then click on the file one after another until we select all of the files that we want to compress. Once we already select the files, we need to right click, and then from the menu over here we need to choose Send to, and then find compressed zipped folder. Once we click over here, we can rename the zip folder to any name we want. Let's say I'm going to name it test.zip. .zip will be automatically added. We press enter, and in this easy way we just zipped those two files into zip folder. If we double click on this folder, it will show us what is inside of this test zip folder. So this is how you can compress files into zip on Windows 10. Please let me know in the comments if this worked for you, and remember to hit thumbs up, subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.